Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make this super cute little portfolio slash journal, and the starting point was some envelopes. So it's a technique I learned watching one of Maremi Small Art YouTube channel, which is the lovely Marta. I think she lives in the UK. I'm not sure if it's Ireland or Wales, but I'm sure she lives, I might be wrong, but at the end of the video I will put the link in the info bar as well, so you guys can go and cross-reference and watch Marta's video. But basically I have used square envelopes, but also you can make these booklets using rectangular envelopes. Before I show you how to make them, let me show you the papers that I have used, which are my May VIP Lounge subscription, which is a subscription that once you join, you get every month lots of digital papers, freebies and goodies and discount codes straight to your email address. Right, before I show you how to make it, let me show you the papers. These are the VIP Lounge papers for the month of May. The inspiration is the circus. This is why it's called Circus Mania. Love it. It's a very large kit. It's got 19 pages. So this is the biggest ever VIP Lounge kit that I have designed so far. And I promise to my VIP members that the kits are getting bigger and bigger and bigger because, you know, it's great to get good value for money. Let me go through every page and I'll be as quick as I possibly can. So there's a lot of background. So, and the color palette is exactly the same. So this kit has been designed to mix and match. As you can see, all the papers match. So you can do complete project, journal, cards, gift boxes. You can create a lot of things using this because, as I said, everything match. So yeah, you've got lots of background. So you've got every artist from the circus. I love that. This is one of my favorite page. The color combination is the red and the turquoise. I think it really work. It really does, because as a color combination is all blend. You've got another page with two circus curtains, because I thought you can do pop-up cards, square, but you can cut them and fold them as you wish. Another background with a little dancer, and then you've got the circus, the carousel, and loads of flowers, etc. I love this kit. This is probably one of my favorite kit that I have ever designed. You got the little clown there with the flowers. This is another favorite of mine because, again, I think blue and red, that sort of turquoise teal, kind of like a Tiffany color, works really well with the deep red and pinks. It's like little horse from the carousel. And I think the stripe as well, the stripes and the floral as a combination works as a strong contrast. And got a collage here. Love it. You got the Cannon Man. There you go. Fun. Is this a handsome horse rider? Then you got the carousel and the flowers there. Oh, I can't wait to see what my VIP members will make using those papers. And of course, guys, you can join anytime. So you join this month and you get these papers. Oh, this is my favorite. This is the page with the collage and a lot of ephemeras that I pulled together. This is the fire eater. Very vintagey, very shabby inspired as well. Then I wanted to give you guys a geometric background that you can use as a layering element. So again, this is great for like card making or journal pages, or you can make envelopes or tags. So just some blank image that you can create what you want. The beauty of these guys, or these papers, they can be used as they are, or you can fussy cut the little embellishment one by one. So they're very versatile. That's the beauty of the digital papers. This one here is a milk carton box. Okay, so you've got the four sides and the base. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So you've got your four squares, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are those four. You've got the two bases, and then you've got the two triangles, which are basically those. Okay, so this this triangle here is this one. So when you pinch fold, it stays like this, and this band on top, it will be the closure. So you can glue it or you can put a peg. I like it, put a little peg so the person that received the gift box can reuse it and pass it on, or just put something else inside rather than destroy it. Of course, you need to print on cardstock, very thick one. Okay, so this is purely paper. Then you get a page with some tabs, another geometric background, but now I enhance the flowers. Okay, so this can be, again, an entirety, or you can chop it, you can make tags, you can do anything that you want. I gave you a few envelopes. So there's a scallop envelope and 2 regular size, no more traditional rectangular envelope. So that's the 2 size, that's the bottom, and that's the top that fold over. And then last but not least, I actually gave you 2 pillow boxes as well. So my kit, my VIP kit, they're very large, contains everything: background, tags, gift boxes, envelopes, everything. I mean, if you do like sweets, or you can use them as a popcorns if you do like a movie night, I think they're great. Also, every month we get the VIP Lounge get a gift box letter. This month is the letter M. We're doing literally halfway the alphabet, so the letter M is this one here. So you get, of course, on a piece of paper, you need to print on thicker cardstock. So you get an assembly instruction, and also you get a private video filmed by me that I share step by step how to put this together. And yeah, let me show you what the gift box looks like when it's all done up. Okay, so this is what the letter M looks like when it's done up. So that's the front or that's the back, or you decide what's the front and what's the back, and then you go all the sides. Very, very easy and fun to make. And let me show you all the alphabet that we made so far. So I've got them here on my side. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, love that, F, J, and every month is different. As you can see, you've got different styles. G, H, love that, I, then we get J, K, more than anything, J, K, if I can speak, and letter L, which was last month, and then this month is letter M. So yeah, halfway through the alphabet. If you guys just discover my VIP Lounge, if you want all the paper, all the rest of the gift boxes, so all the alphabet, let me know in the email, and I'm sure we can work things around. But yeah, that's this month. Let's see what I can spell. I'm just gonna spell one word. I'm gonna spell fame, and E. What's the E? Fame. But you can write your names. Can I write my name? Not yet, because I haven't got the rest of my letter. But yeah, it's very, very fun. Sorry, I can play with this forever. And then last but not least, this month you got a bonus page with these beautiful steampunk creatures. I love designing those. They're very sassy. They're very cute. I think I'm going to make some embellishment with this. I think I'm going to do a video next week because I say so. Okay, so the starting point, let me just move my bracelet so they don't bang on the desk every time, with some envelopes. So in the video you will see she plays with this lap here. So on this envelope you see there is a glue there and there is nothing on the back. So what she was doing, she was putting this flap here inside the envelope there, and then fold it over, and then this flap here from the envelope from the back will go into another one, and so on. So if you grab another envelope, fold it over so the flap is on the other side, put this inside, and then you basically carry on until you got no more spare envelopes. So I'm going to put some glue, but I just wanted to show you the way. Okay, so you carry on, if you just get the flap, and this booklet can be as big or thin as you want to be. I'm just gonna stop with 4, and then I'm just gonna show you on the last one. So this is your booklet, okay? So you see, it's only got 4 envelopes. Now this flap here, what you can do, you put it right on the back, so everything stay nice and sealed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start all over again. I'm gonna speed it up for you, and I'm just gonna use some glue stick, okay, to put it all together. Where's my glue? I'm gonna speed it up because you don't really need to see me gluing all the pages, but I'll be right back, and then we're gonna decorate it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've glued my papers. So these are, so the envelopes are 6 by 6, just over a little bit. So mine are 6 inches minus just a little bit, so I get this white border. So what am I going to do, I'm going to use the Distress ink, the vintage photo. I'm just going to simply, page by page, I'm just going to distress it all. But I really like this little booklet idea. So these are super cute, fast journal ideas if you do like craft fairs, because you can just put a little plastic wallet. I mean, you can decorate it further. You can add like pockets, etc, etc. I'm going to do another project next week. We're going to do some paper clips using the same papers, and we're going to attach some ephemera, and then yeah, journal done. So, but yeah, I just think it's a really good idea, and this will work with any size envelope. So you could use rectangular envelopes instead of squared, and then what you do, I've got a few here. This has got some backing on the back, so I'm just gonna peel the backing off and simply again fold the envelope over, put this flap inside, it's hard because I try not to put my head on the camera, but you just it doesn't want to play. But I really don't want to bend over because my back, I'm sat quite far behind the desk, but I want to show you, so he's got to play. That's it. That's it. Okay, so you glue there, you fold that over, you see, and you carry on. So I got, or you can either decorate these and keep the pockets, you know, if you want to use these as actual pocket. Oh no, you can't because I just glued it. Oh, silly me. But you can use this one as a pocket and then carry on putting that. In fact, let me show you. Let's do that actually, and I can use other papers. Hold on, I think I might invented something else. I don't know if Martha didn't have video with the pockets. I not thought that. I just thought now that I've done it with you. See, it takes 2 seconds now because I'm practicing. So, and then I guess this will go all on the back. Fold this on the back. Yeah, so let me have a look. Do you get a pocket here? No, you don't get a pocket there, but you do get a pocket here. Do you? Have I dreamt about? No, I thought I didn't. Yeah, so you get a pocket here. So yeah, so that's where you could put your ephemera. You don't get pocket there because that's attached. Yeah, makes sense. And then yeah, you would decorate front and back, and then you get another journal with a pocket. Do you know what? I'm gonna save this. We're gonna do another project in another time. But yeah, so let me ink it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like when it's all inked up. I really like it. I don't know if it comes as white on camera, but it's brown. It's got that vintage brown look, which I think it matches with the style of the paper I have designed. This is probably one of my favorite VIP collection that I have designed so far, but I got a special one from next month as well, which I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I literally just finished designing. But yeah, I'm just going to go, guys. I hope you guys will make these envelopes, journals. I mean, you can carry on. You can make this as thicker as you want, or you can do different sizes. Okay, so you got a square and you got a rectangular. I just want to say big thank you to Marta for an amazing video and really inspire me making this one. I will put Marta's video link in the info box so you can click on it and see Marta's original video. If you wish to buy my papers, let me show you on the website where to find them. You've got two different ways of pay. You've got a monthly subscription, which is £5, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can do one payment for the entire year, and that's way cheaper. But let me show you on my website. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website. 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. A monthly offer or a gift. A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this little project, and if you make them, please join my Facebook group, and I really want to see what booklets you created with your envelopes. Guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up once again for the last time. Have a wonderful day, and until next Wednesday, stay safe and well. Bye.